Good day, sir. This is Midshipman Jeffrey Sidagupan, and now I will discuss the 2.5.1 echographs. First is power, and power is often stated that a depth sounder can reach 400 meter depth with a transmission power of 600 WRMS and a frequency of 50 kHz frequencies. And it is a power. And next is range. Range is adjust the depth displayed. Next is IMO ranges 0 meter to 20 meter and 0 meter to 200 meter must be available, and this range. Next is mark. Mark is the ability is used to draw a line on the paper as a mark to indicate certain pace. This is a mark. Next is a time barrage gain. Time barrage gain suppresses weak signals close to the vessel, thus enhancing the visual display of deeper lying fish in the seabed. Is a time barrage gain. Next is alarm. Alarm is also known echo sounder alarm, a device used to detect and indicate the presence of obstacles underwater is commonly used in marine applications such as navigations. This alarm. Next is gain. This again. Gain is controls the application of the receiver adjust to obtain optimum seabed display. This again. Okay, I will repeat. This a power, range, mark, time barrage gain, alarm, and gain. That's all my discussion. Thank you, sir.